with Logan again to ride Iron Gwazi.
Yeah. I'm so ready.
Oh man, I love the drop before the lift hill.
I know, what the hell is that shit? Oh my god. This ride is like too good to be true.
My absolute favorite ride. This drop is just insanity. And we're in the back row. It's just insane.
Ooh, it just gets faster every time I come here. I don't get it.
It's insane. This is definitely why you need straps for your glasses.
Oh.
This ride, that's why.
Guys, you have to ride this ride.
RMC better keep going this direction.
Oh, I know. RMC is probably my top right now, so I really hope they keep it up.
We're up there.
RMC like nothing else.
Intamin.
Well guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.